I hope it continues.
That's weird.
That was weird. I hope it picks up again. You can hear it. Yeah, I can hear them. Is there like a church or something over there?
There's a church up on the hill.
But over
A
there,
Baptist
though.
church, but they don't.
God, this is eerie.
No. There's no Catholic church around here. The closest Catholic church is in Shaughnessy.
Okay, this is scary.
Maybe
We're just like by this
at
tree.
Bow Valley they're having a concert or something.
Maybe it's the ghost of the church. That's scary. Wow, this is like a very scary moment of being
That was
here.
freaky.
Yeah, look at this. I wonder if it's done.
How far are we from the ranch house? Is it a good ways, Mike?
Still a good ways.
Yeah.
Wow. I'll bet you maybe they're due. It's spring. Today's the first day of spring. I wonder if some people are doing something.
Yeah, this is also disturbing.
I've never heard that.
A broken swing.
There's one church up on...
After just hearing that, we passed by to this tree. This is really scary. There's something wrong with this place. It's Slenderman.